In this video, I challenged myself to cook an entire surf and turf dinner in the ZGrills smoker, and I'm starting by firing up the smoker to 170 degrees Celsius or 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Back inside, prepping 3 large washed potatoes, piecing them all over with a fork, coating them with a drizzle of olive oil and a pinch of salt, then evenly coating the potato. This cook will only take 2 hours, so we'll start the 2-hour timer when the potatoes go into the smoker. Now back inside, it's time to prep the rest of the ingredients. We'll start with 1 kilo of large tiger prawns, also known as shrimp, removing the heads, tails and poop valves. After that is done, putting these into the fridge. Using 2 bunches of asparagus, we'll start by removing the wooden ends. Then coating these with a drizzle of olive oil, a pinch of salt, dusted with garlic and adding cracked pepper, making sure they are evenly coated, then refrigerated. Transferring the prawns into a foil tray, you can add more or less of these following ingredients to your liking. We'll add 6 tablespoons of melted butter, dicing 3 cloves of garlic. These elephant garlic cloves are huge, so I'm just going to use one of these. Chopping up approximately 2 tablespoons of parsley, adding in 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, using a small measuring cup to make sure I don't get the seeds in that. Adding in a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. Now mixing up those prawns to give them a nice even coat, then back into the fridge. Using 370 gram Porterhouse steaks, wiping them dry of any excess moisture. On one side, giving them a light drizzle of olive oil, then evenly coat. Add a pinch of salt, a light dusting of garlic powder, then adding some cracked pepper. Flip these steaks over and repeat the process on the other side. Then place these into the fridge until it's time to cook. Back out at the smoker, 1 hour into the cook, remove the potatoes onto a chopping board. We'll wrap these up in foil, then we'll place them back into the smoker. At this point, it's time to add in that asparagus too. 1 hour 20 minutes into the cook, increase temperature to 232C or 450F. It will take approximately 10 minutes for the smoker to reach temp, so while waiting, and if you have one, it's a good time to insert your temperature probe. And for this cook, I'm loosely aiming for a medium doneness on these steaks, but you can do these however you want. It's up to you how you want to cook your steak. With 30 minutes left on this timer, adding on the steaks and getting it close to that heat source. "10 minutes left on the timer, flipping these steaks over and moving them closer to the heat source. Popping in that top shelf to start cooking the garlic butter prawns. 2 minutes left into the cook, checking the internal temp of the steaks are to our liking. Then removing them to rest inside before serving. Two-hour timer is up, so time to get the prawns, asparagus and potato inside for plating up. For plating, starting with unwrapping the potato, these came out so soft and fluffy, making it super easy to butterfly and mash up. For the topping, using butter, sour cream and chopped chives. Plating up that asparagus on the side. Throwing on some garlic butter prawns. And before you start roasting me in the comments, I know this could have been pulled earlier and reverse seared, but that's not the video today. Today is just smoker only cooking. For my first steak cooked in a smoker, I was pretty happy with the results. It didn't have much smoke flavor, but it was cooked well. Alright, plate up that steak and we're done. I know this is not the most efficient way to cook a surf and turf, but this was a smoker only cook. Thanks for hanging around to the end of the video. Very much appreciated, and I'll see you in the next one.